In this example, we're going to show how to calculate the effective voltage gain for the amplifier circuit shown. The representation of the amplifier shown illustrates a voltage supply of 12 millivolts with a source resistance of 50 ohms. The input impedance is 800 ohms. The voltage gain is 400. The output impedance is 300 ohms. And it's connected to a load resistance of 3 kilo ohms. In order to calculate the voltage in or V in at the amplifier, we must look at the voltage source, the source resistance, and Zin. Using the value of V in and the voltage amplification of the amplifier, AV, we'll calculate V out. We will then look at the output impedance and the resistive load to calculate the voltage across the load. So the first step, we'll look at the input part of the amplifier. This input circuit can be redrawn as follows. It is now possible to calculate V in using the voltage divider formula, which for the circuit drawn is Vs times the input impedance divided by Zin plus Rs. Applying the values from the circuit and carrying out the calculation gives us a voltage in of 11.3 millivolts. We can now calculate V out, the output voltage from the amplifier, using the gain times V in, AV times V in. AV, as illustrated here, is a gain of 400, and V in we've just calculated as 11.3 millivolts. So applying those values to the equation, we get a V out of 4.52 volts. So looking at the circuit diagram, this gives us 4.52 volts at this point. Our next step is to calculate the voltage across the load, VL. So looking at the output portion of the diagram, what we have is V out, and we have two series resistance, the output impedance and the resistance RL, as drawn here. So again, using the voltage divider formula, it's possible to calculate VL using the formula V out times RL divided by Z out plus RL. And plugging in the values, we get 4.11 volts. In order to calculate the effective voltage gain, AV EFF for effective, this is calculated as the voltage across the load divided by your source voltage, VL divided by Vs. So plugging in the values into that equation, for this example, we get an effective voltage gain of 343.